You have the Samsung Galaxy A17 and you need to factory reset, hard reset, clean and wipe. Make sure we're talking about the same phone. Looks like this. Let's get started. Galaxy A17, we're going to start with the device powered off. And as you or most people are becoming aware of, Samsung has added extra security where the normal volume up and power doesn't work. It just reboots the phone. You have to actually make a connection. I have this connected to my laptop on screen left over here. And now, as soon as it makes a connection, actually, I'm going to wait a second so it can show me the... All right, there it is. 46% battery. I'm going to let that fade. Actually, just go for it. It's volume up and power with the device powered off and the device plugged in, connected to any desktop, laptop, or if you have USB-C to USB-C, you can connect it to a tablet. So here we go. Volume up power. And as soon as we see the Samsung logo, we'll let go. Right there. Just a few seconds. Now we should see the Android recovery menu show up. At the Android recovery menu, we're going to scroll down with volume down to wipe data factory reset. Pause here on the video or look at your own screen. If your phone is reset, you 100% need to enter the original Google or Gmail account to log back in. All right, here we go. Press power for OK or yes. And then pause here or read on your own phone. Jason, will this wipe all user data? This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. To agree with that, to confirm, we're going to scroll down, factory data reset, press power for OK. And on your phone, it could take several minutes or just a few seconds, depending on how much you used your phone. And now it is safe to reboot the system. Press power for yes or power for OK. Hey, if you, your kids, or grandma and grandpa need help always remembering their PIN pattern or password, here's a free download. It's a worksheet. It's my thank you to you. And if this video has helped you, please like, please subscribe, do me a favor, and watch this video next. Thanks for watching.